see you later. Fand ich ja, wird lustig. Ich fahre das langsam.
Das ist gut, aber leg dich nicht ab.
Ich mach doch gar nichts. Also was mache ich denn bitte schön? Nee, was mache ich denn? Eine ehrliche Frage. Nein, nur eine ehrliche Frage. Wo gebe ich ein bisschen Gas?
Du machst die Leute eben gerade mit deinem Gas.
Ich halte nur Gas, weil die ausgeht. Ich kann mal so machen, dass ich Gas geben.
Das hast du auch eben gerade gemacht.
Na, habe ich nicht gemacht. Habe ich nicht gemacht.
Und dein Kamera hat das vielleicht aufgenommen.
Ja, habe ich aufgenommen.
Ja, so.
Ja, aber ich habe kein Gas geben. Ich habe nie die Ärger. Ich bin ganz langsam gefahren. Ich bin ganz langsam gefahren. Ja, danke.
This guy is way too close to this car up here. Not smashing mirrors. Dude, what a like really? You're gonna pass me that close? That's my story on smashing mirrors. This guy really pissed me off. He passed me really close in my same lane. Ay, dude. Tailgating, okay. Hey man, you gotta be careful passing in the same lane like that, man. It's a little dangerous. Asshole, dude.
Ça, c'est quelque chose du genre? Vous devez arrêter d'utiliser votre GSM. Non, 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 non. Ça va vous coûter très cher.
Somebody, I don't know if they got one. Shane, like, yo, I want to see him get away from the fucking dicks. Fucking
Hey man, you tease me, dog.
You flying that crazy like this, y'all here?
Grandpa, I am. Alright.
No, because I saw you one day. I went to pick up Renee. Your ass was on the left.
For real?
Yeah.
On the levee?
No, y'all was going down Appaloosa.
Oh,
Riding
alright.
that fucking. I saw when you rode that bike on one wheel all the way down the street. You gotta start riding like that.
Alright, Grandpa.
Where you on the bike?
Is it at home? Is it at home?
I don't need you to get hurt on the mother bike, bro.
I know. I ain't
Alright.
trying to get hurt.
Okay.
Alright. What was that?
Going great, you know, and then it's just like bam, wow, motherfucker right there. Gobble gobble gobble. He's my like little fuck. Oh shit. Let's go. You want to race? Let's go, bro. I'm so glad I'm on this thing. Come on. This is wild out here. They me up. They must have something nearby. Oh, they're ready to get at it. I don't know why this is so funny. They're clearly not scared of me, so I don't feel bad. Okay, I stop. You stop. What are we doing here? Gobble gobble gobble. Ah! Okay, see you later. Y'all think turkeys like wheelies? Y'all like wheelies? You like wheelies? Like, boy, stop Mother Nature. Y'all go back in the woods where y'all belong. Don't get hit by a car. I never actually seen these guys in the wild. Am I still recording? Yep, I'm still recording. As you can see them in my rearview mirror right there. Y'all please move. Oh, y'all look little now with your feathers all down. How close will you get? Oh shit. It's like, what the fuck is that? I'm surprised how close it'll get. It's not attacking, but it'll get pretty damn close to me. Eat a Skeetle. And we just do a wooly. Do a wooly on away from them. Wheelie away from the haters. Y'all are probably so irritated by me now. Stop looking at my feet, trying to yank out my bone or something.
C'est le contresens. C'est le contresens. Et avec le GSM, non. Ça vous coûtera très cher.